In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit. Now click on Sound and Vibration, scroll down again and tap on Vibrate Focus. Then tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, click on the back button, scroll down and click on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can set up vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, scroll down again, and tap on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibrations to enable or disable it. Lastly, you can turn on or off touch vibration by clicking on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!